Hi everyone, welcome to the new series of the machine learning. And in this course, we will learn about the machine learning from beginner to advanced level. So, as it is the first tutorial of the machine learning, in this tutorial, we will learn what is machine learning, what are its classifications, and what kind of algorithms we will use. So, let's move forward and see what is machine learning. So, Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science which focuses on use of data and algorithms to imitate the way that humans learn, gradually improving its accuracy. So just like a human can say that I can learn everything automatically from experiences. So machine learning is that we give data and machine predicts everything. Machine learns basically from everything from our given data, and then they predict the future or like there are different examples of the machine learning, just like the different movies recommendation on our previous data. This type of applications we can use in the machine learning. So here are the applications of machine learning. So machine learning is a buzzword for today's technology, and it is growing very rapidly day by day. We are using machine learning in our daily life even without knowing it, such as Google Maps, Google Assistant, Alexa, etc. So also we are using these applications of the machine learning, but there are some major applications like product recommendation in Amazon, or we can say that online fraud detection, just like credit card fraud detection and different, or stock market trading, and or email spam. Yeah, like in Gmail you have also seen a spam section. So let's move forward. So this is what are the features of the machine learning. Machine learning uses data to detect various patterns in a given data set. As I said, uh, it can learn from past data and improve automatically. Okay, it is a data driven technology. Machine learning is much similar to data mining, as it also deals with a huge amount of the data. Okay, so let's move forward and see what are the classifications of the machine learning. So basically, machine learning is classified into three basic types. The first one is supervised machine learning. The second one is unsupervised machine learning, and the last one is reinforcement machine learning. So let's move forward and see what are these classifications and what kind of algorithms we will use. So the first one is supervised learning. Supervised learning is the types of the machine learning in which machines are trained using well-labeled training data, and on the basis of that data, machines predict the output. As you can see in the diagram, that we give different kind of data. This one is a hexagon, this is a square, and this is a triangle. So we will give our data to our model, just like different types of uh, algorithms we will use in our training our model, and we will give our data, and our model will learn from our given data and predict. Just like we will say, we will give two different shapes, and our model will predict that it is a square or it is a triangle. This is a supervised machine learning in which we will learn, we know what is our output, what will be our output, like triangle, square, hexagon. This is a supervised learning. And now supervised learning can be further divided into two basic types. The first one is the classification, and the second one is the regression. So classification algorithms are used when the output variable is categorical, which means there are two classes such as yes, no, male, female, true, false, etc. This is classification, and these are the algorithms we will use in our upcoming videos, and we will learn what is classification, what are the algorithms, and the different data sets we will use in our videos. And the second one is the regression. Regression algorithms are used if there is a relationship between the input variable and the output variable. It is used for the prediction of continuous variables such as weather forecasting, marketing trends, etc. Okay, and the algorithms we will use: linear regression, logistic regression, and difference. For example, let's move forward and see unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is a type of the machine learning in which models are trained using unlabeled dataset. Here is a keyword: unlabeled dataset. But in our previous slide, like supervised machine learning, we use labeled datasets. So unsupervised machine learning will use unlabeled dataset and are allowed to act on that data without any supervision. The goal of unsupervised learning is to find the underlying structure of the dataset, group that data according to similarities, and represent dataset in a compressed format. Okay, so here is the diagram. and we can you can see that input raw data, that it is not on what is cat and what is dog. We will train our model and give different our pictures or our different formats, and then our model will predict, will our classify our pictures into that this is one type and this is the second type. Just like you can see that here is dogs and the other one is a cat. So let's move forward and see. The unsupervised learning algorithms can be further categorized into two types like supervised learning. Here we can use clustering and association, and you can read that what is saying in clustering. Okay, in clustering is a method of grouping the objects into clusters such that objects with more similarities remain into a group and has less or no similarities with the group of another group. And the algorithms we will use, k-means clustering and the k nearest neighbor and different other algorithms we will use here. And the second one is association. An association rule is an unsupervised learning method which is used for finding the relationship between variables in a large database. It determines the set of items that occurs together in the set. Association rules makes marketing strategy more effective, such as people who buy X items, suppose of bread, are also tend to purchase Y butter jam item, for example. And the algorithm is a priori algorithm. Okay, we will learn about all kind of algorithms in our upcoming videos. And the last one is the reinforcement learning. It is basically used for the, just like you can say, spam detection. Reinforcement learning is a feedback based learning method in which a learning agent gets a reward for each right action and gets a penalty for each wrong action. Okay, the agent learns automatically with these feedbacks and improves its performance. In reinforcement learning, the agent interacts with the environment and explores it. And the last one is the goal of an agent is to get the most reward points and hence improves its performance. So these are the classifications of the machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and the reinforcement learning. In the upcoming video, we will start from supervised learning, and we will learn different algorithms, and also we will do practical on it. So keep watching our videos, and thank you so much for watching this video.